Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to make roller tacos. Yes, Mexican food for today. You will need white corn tortillas, tuna, garlic, onion, Mexican cream, cotija cheese, chipotle sauce, lettuce and tomatoes. Now let's get started with the recipe. In the small pot is heating the oil. Now I'm gonna be adding the onion and garlic. Let's simmer for a few minutes and then add the tuna, chipotle sauce, stir a little bit, and then add fresh black pepper and salt to taste. Mix a little bit, cover with a lid, and done. In this another pan, I'm going to warm my corn tortillas. In this other pan, heat oil to fry the roller tacos. When your tortilla is warm, we are going to place the stuffing and we roll them up. And continue with the rest of the tortillas. And when the oil is hot, put them to fry until they are crunchy and golden brown as you want it. After several minutes, we will remove the roller tacos. Guys, we have 6 roller tacos in total, with only 1 can of tuna. Now we will add a lettuce on the top, tomatoes, Mexican cream, and cotija cheese to taste. And my roller tacos are ready to eat. Please guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. I have recipes for you every Wednesdays. And we are going to give my dog a piece of cookie. She's Candy, my coton de Tulliar. She's here with me every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has her own videos on Saturdays. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.